Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing video. I have 3 things to unbox. But a little update first. There will be makeup tutorials coming soon. If you have any ideas, please leave them in the comments below. And without further ado, let's get into this. Shall we? So I thought I'd go and show you something from an awesome planner group I'm a part of. 2 little cute paper clips, which are so cute. I am obsessed with this. I opened this before because I was curious, but I love this paper clip. So cute. I love, love, love the bow. And, of course, a flamingo, which will look cool in one of my planners, or even a journal. You know, like, that's what I got. But, the other day, I got my 3 little samples from Vic Cosmetics, which I'm a part of, hold on, I forgot the paper. So, there's 3 lippies. There is Lip Locked, Liquid Lip in the shade Exposed. It's like a nudie concealer shade, which looks pretty good, but I'm like, it washes me out. So what I was thinking is the plumping and shimmer gloss in the shade Illuminating Rose. I thought that would look so good on top of it, or mixed in. Then one of my favorites, which I was gonna wear in the video, which is another plumping a la creamy lip gloss, which I love. I think this is very comparable to Black Honey from, I want to say, Clinique. Has the same kind of tone. Those 3 are my favorite. I got them the other day. Like 2 days ago. I got them. Yeah, if you want to know anything about the cosmetics, I'll post my link below in the comments. Not in the comments. Duh. I mean in the description below. So, yeah. Now, on to Pinch Me. If you don't know what Pinch Me is, well, let me tell you. It's an awesome freebies site. Once a month, I think the 12th, 15th, sometime around there, they'll send you an email saying about that there's samples waiting for you in your thing, in your profile, waiting to be in your box. You can choose from, I think, 1 to 4 samples half the time. Sometimes that's what I do. I sometimes choose 1 or 3, or sometimes I choose all 4. This one is not mine. I forgot which is which. That one was my mother's, actually. So, this is from January. I finally received it, and it came all the way from New Jersey. Yeah, that's where their area is. So, I think this is what I'm gonna do. It says on the box here, snap some pics and snap in front of your Pinch Me box with your samples. Have fun and get creative. Show love. Share love. share on Instagram and Facebook. Make sure you use the hashtag HappyPincher and tag Pinch Me in your posts. Be an influencer. Tag influencer. Tag 2 friends on social media and be a social media influencer, which I am gonna be, because I've seen so many videos on YouTube about like what those influencers get. They get a lot more than we do. They get like a big, massive box. I've seen. So let's get into this. I'm sorry if my hair is a mess. Today I just didn't. Oh God. I got the Undreadful. Hello Fresh. Yeah, and it's a $60 gift card. Claim within 30 days. When does this expire? Ooh, with the purchase of 2 to 4 person box. That is very cool. I may have to look into this at some point in time. You know, I always get those things in my Pinch Me box. Always. I always get them, and I dread it. So, 2 things we get. I like to have these on hand. The pads. You never know. You may need them at some point in time. Yeah. And it's organic, which is pretty cool. Oh, and they give you 20% off with your first order with the code PinchMe20, which I think I'll probably put in the comments, in the description below, which everybody loves to save some money, you know. There's that, there's this. I've heard good things about this. Which this is just in the pamphlet. It's in here. You know. Which sometimes, yeah, after bawling your eyes out, you get redness. I think these 2, I'm just gonna make it easy. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's cool. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. I dumped everything out. So, I got this. Terraflu Power Pods Severe Cold. It's for a K-Cup thing. Yeah, it's for a K-Cup, a Keurig, or Mr. Coffee machine, which is pretty cool. I know somebody who will probably dig this, you know. So, I got the Lumify product. Some of the cotton pads. A 2-packer. Wow. 2-pack. They must be a little generous. You know. And doggy food. We have, here at my house, we have 2 dogs. So, I think they will probably like this. It's Purina Bella grain-free pate with veggies. It's beef, peas, and carrots, and savory juices. Yeah, we have, like, a Yorkie and a Shih Tzu. Yeah. That's what we have. This is all from my box, which I'm gonna do a Pinch Me thing, a post, and share, which I'm gonna put my stuff back in the box so I know whose is whose. There. That's how I can tell. I put lipstick print. You know? Which I think I like it better that way. Yeah. Like, that's what I like better. I like better that way. I'm gonna put all this back in. everything back in it. My dogs are being heinous today. Heinous. You know? Oh, and the doggy food. Yeah, so I can tell who's who. I've had this lip product for like ages, and I keep forgetting all about it. So onto my mom's box. We have this thing of doing it a certain way. That's how we get both boxes. Yeah, it says the same thing on the back here. You know, it says the same thing, which if you do get boxes, definitely tag 2 friends. You'll receive a bunch of boxes. I think we both got the same things. I believe so. Yeah, we did. Wow. It's nothing new. It's nothing new. So, if you've seen what I got, I don't have to really go through with this. So, I'll do only one box. One box. I'll share. Or I'll post one box, which will be my box. And on to the next. This is from It Works. I get their little, they have a game that you could download to earn free products and stuff like that. I actually fell in love with their keto coffee. I am not on keto. I am not on keto whatsoever. I am not on keto. I'm not on keto, but I thought, you know, it's sometimes good to try something new. You know, sometimes it's really good. Something new. Thought I ordered the keto coffee, but I ordered the energy packets this time. I think so. To get the keto energy coffee, I think it's like 1,100. But I got these to try them. I fell in love with the orange greens on the go, which tastes really good. I'm not a seller of It Works or nothing. I just like their products. I'm just an average user. So this is what I got. It's the keto energy. I love energy drinks and chewy things and all of that. So I thought, give it a shot. Fell in love with the coffee. So I got the collagen one. Tropical citrus. You know. That's what else I got. And delicious. Oh, you could have it in 8 fluid ounces of water or your favorite hot or cold beverages once or twice a day. Mix, shake, or stir vigorously and drink. Which I have high hopes for these. Yeah, this is about it. I'm just curious to see if there's anything like how much sugar or any of that stuff is. Total carbs under a gram. That is awesome. Which I have to really pay attention to that. I really have to. They always send this. They always do. But I did not. I got the berry one from a seller before. I think I hosted a party or something, but I fell in love with the orange. So I'm going to be sharing this to my Facebook. So anyone on my friends list who's a seller of It Works, I really, really, really love the orange. I have one packet left and it's my favorite. So I think that's it for this video. If you want to see anything, any kind of makeup tutorial, unboxing, hacks, dupes, what, you name it, let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe, like, ring that damn bell, you know. So I'm gonna be on to the next video. Bye.